Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Ayub and today we are talking about how to keep your garden look great all year round with seasonal landscaping tips, whether it's spring, summer, fall or winter. I've got you covered with expert advice on what to plant, how to take care of your landscape, and some design ideas that will help your garden thrive no matter the season. Let's start with spring. After a long winter, your garden is waking up and it's the perfect time to start planting. Spring is all about planting new flowers like tulips, toadfalls, and pansies. When planting, make sure to space out your flowers so they have room to grow, and don't forget to water them regularly during these early months. Now let's talk about summer. It's the peak of growth for most plants, but the heat can take its toll on your garden if you are not careful. Watering in the early morning helps your plants absorb moisture before the heat of the day kicks in. And if you are like me and want a low maintenance summer garden, choose drought resistant plant that can handle the sun. Fall is one of my favorite seasons for landscaping. It's all about preparing your garden for the winter months ahead while still enjoying the last bit of color. You'll also want to plant some fall blooming flowers like chrysanthemums to add pops of color, and don't forget to rake those leaves. If you leave them, they can smother your lawn. Winter might seem like the time to forget about your garden, but with a little planning, you can help your landscape look great even during the colder months. Using frost covers will protect sensitive plants from cold winds and frost damage. And don't forget, winter is the perfect time to give your tools some love. Clean them, sharpen them, and they'll be ready for spring. There you have it, seasonal landscaping tips to help your garden thrive all year long. Remember, every season brings new opportunities to improve your outdoor space, so embrace the changes and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite season for gardening is. Until next time, happy gardening.